Okay, I guess this is the University of California edition. Nathan Salmon plus Alex Honnold plus Point Line Cloud. That's Curtis Rhodes. A lot of California people. UCLA, of course. Is the real history of analytic philosophy in Los Angeles. Okay, so Nathan Salmon was born in Los Angeles on January 2nd, 1951. That is also the birth date of a very favorite cousin of mine. Now, what I need to point out is that last one, I said Nathan Salmon, and quite blasphemously, I suggested that he was Armenian. It's more likely Turkish. Uku Zoglu or Uchu Zoglu. Pardon my Bazanakya. Una fazza, una razza. Italians, Greeks, Turks. Una fazza, una razza. Bazanakya. So, Nathan, pardon me, Dimitri. Professor Salmon, apologies for the misattribution of your origins. There is an interview, maybe several, where Alex Honnold discusses his experience. Now, when he was in high school, apparently he was just at the climbing gym all the time, or, out doing boulder problems somewhere, or he's just like climbing, just living that way. And he winds up as a freshman, if I remember correctly, Mr. Honnold. Apologize. I'm sorry if I get any of this wrong, Mr. Honnold, but the story, from what I remember, was that he went to Berkeley and he said he didn't speak to anybody the entire time that he was there. And I don't know what kind of academic success that he had, but he said that he would just, I think he said he'd cut class a lot of times and he'd go do boulder problems somewhere that was, I guess, not too terribly out of the way. I utterly identify with this. I mean, of course, I'm not a rock climber in the literal sense, anyway. I suppose figuratively, it fits. I mean, of course, that's the only reason I'm talking about any of this is because it fits. It all fits figuratively in one way or another. But we don't really get anywhere, do we, if we just say, well, everything fits. The end, what's for dinner? No, we don't get anywhere. You actually have to track each thing that fits into the next thing, and you have to demonstrate how it fits. So I guess he dropped out after his first year and just continued doing exactly what he's doing now. I mean, assuming he's still climbing, I don't know. I kind of get the impression that he's got himself kind of on the clock. Like he's not gonna catch himself. He's not gonna make a stupid mistake. Like, because the fate of, free solo climbers seems to be a kind of Pareto ratio. I mean, it does not look good. 80% of the time, you will fall to your death. Yeah, I mean, I'm like my stepmother now. Yasusula. So, what was Alex Honnold's education experience like? Well, I don't know. He seems, remarkably analytical person. He probably did just fine in math and science. I don't know. What do I know? I'll ask him if I ever talk to him. Unless I find him on record about this first.